Okay, we're gonna do a little wireless test here, and I'm gonna show you with my meter what the wireless field strength is when I turn on a couple wireless devices on my desk. So we're gonna take measurements on this meter here. It's called an HF59B, and it's gonna be measuring in microwatts per square meter. The number we're looking to stay below is 10. So the safe level is below 10 microwatts per square meter. So I'm going to flip on the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on my computer, and I'm going to turn on the cell phone. We're going to do a measurement and see what levels we're exposing ourselves to with that. Can I hear it? So you can see into the 12, 15,000, 18,000. It's going above 20,000 at the moment. Above 20,000. And you can hear the signals. So, with just a computer with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and a cell phone turned on, you might even have more wireless devices around your space. There's not even Wi-Fi here. And we're getting numbers above 20,000 microwatts. So we really want to bring that down. Let's see what it does when I turn off and wire these devices and turn off all the wireless signals. We'll do a measurement then. Okay, so now I've switched some things around in my setup. I've turned off the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth on my laptop, and I've switched the phone to airplane mode. I've also plugged in my wired keyboard and mouse. So now let's take a reading and we're going to see what our measurements are at. So I'll switch to setting on the meter. It's now reading finer measurements. So these are true numbers, 23 microwatts per square meter, whereas before we were over 20,000. 11, 14, 25. So that's 11, 14, or 25 microwatts per square meter compared to over 20,000. And that's only from Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on my laptop and having a cell phone turned on right beside me. So a pretty huge difference.